What's the matter with people? Now go. Go, you jackwagon.
Not that it really makes a difference, but it just feels like a weird burden to, like, I don't know, yeah. Good job, dude. That was a bad decision. I know, right?
You have to fucking yield!
No, dude, you missed your chance. You can't come all the way up to the fucking front of the line and then...
himself years later. The two versions of Hello It's Me are separated by 3 years. Two very different sonic contexts.
What the fuck?
And the distance between a young musician figuring out who he was and a fully formed artist.
Dude.
In half a mile, turn right after Real Italian Resto.
Him in town. Yeah. And I don't remember what it was, but we were talking about that. He's, hey, bud. That's cute. I was talking with him about...
Yes, it's all coming together. The criminal, of course, broke into the home of the ambassador, not from anywhere in particular, just the ambassador, it's a known person, and went to safe number 1, expecting...
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus fuck, lady.
What's this? I didn't know this song.
18 in life by Skid Row. Come on, go!
What is this? Bro. Green. Green.
Has a picture of a Hulk on it.
As what?
Has a picture of a Hulk on it.
The Hulk.
The Hulk, yes.
Not your turn, dude.
Dick.
Okay, Jesus. Fucking hell, man.
Here we go. Welcome back to another episode. This is releasing sometime in July, so we've got some fun colors in the studio. But this is a theme I've been thinking about for some.
Pretty sure my seat has a similar hole in it. Hello, guys.
Fucking idiot. Wow. And then you guys run the red light.
Looked up and be like, hey, I have a problem beforehand. Like, maybe, again, we don't have this context, but it might not be that he's not self-aware, but he literally has never heard anything from her, and this is the first time that she's said, you know what your problem is? And he's like, whoa, well, the only time you're bringing this up is...
Whoa. Just careful what you're doing.
As I've mentioned, this story is from 13 years ago, and around then, the world was just waking up to social media, and our college wasn't too far behind. In fact, our department had quite a chatty group on one social media site. Rose and Jess weren't in the group, but some of the faculty were. I started writing and posting long satirical sketches.
Jesus! Holy shit, that was close. I haven't been over here in a while. Oh, there is a I see van. Okay. Take your time, dude. What are you doing? Okay. Let me just pull into the bus stop, that's fine. Dude!
Of saunas and cold plunges. Saunas help with relaxation, stress relief, circulation, and detoxification, and improve sleep. Cold plunges reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, increase energy and alertness. Together, the health benefits are immeasurable.
I don't know. I'm just gonna start it over because it's funny as hell.
I'm halfway home at the pub.
Okay.
On the corner of the street. See kids from school. But I stare down at my feet.
Yeah, so here's the thing, is I've already adjusted how I'm scheduling Sundays. You'll see it on the next couple schedules. Nancy. Yeah. What'd she do?